friends! Today we're going to learn the ABCs of animals. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! A. A is for ant. Ant. B. B is for bear. Bear. C. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. D. D is for dog. Dog. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for frog. Frog. G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for ibis. Ibis. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L is for leopard. Leopard. M. M is for macaw. Macaw. N. N is for nightingale. Nightingale. O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P. P is for peacock. Peacock. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. R. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. S. S is for snail. Snail. T. T is for turtle. Turtle. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. W. W is for Woodpecker. Woodpecker. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y. Y is for Yak. Yak. Z. Z is for Zebra. Zebra. Wonderful job, kids! That was amazing! Thanks for watching! Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon!